The iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. You can't operate any menu when this happens. In this video, we will discuss why this happened and how to fix these issues. This is mostly related to hardware issues, but sometimes using the camera too much in hot weather can cause this. If the problem goes away after not using the phone for a while, then it's not a major concern. If you turn on the iPhone and after a few minutes or seconds, the issue occurs, it indicates there may be a problem with your iPhone. Let's fix it. These issues can occur after a force drop or auto damage. The iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. When disassembling the LCD, be careful. Don't touch the certain areas while the battery is connected. It can damage the Face ID system, and you might wonder why your Face ID stopped working. If you touch the dot projector while the battery is connected, it will damage the dot projector. This may cause Face ID failure. Let's check the PCB status. It looks normal with no sign of auto damage. No sign of auto damage. Let's reassemble the PCB and check. Now, here you can see I have disconnected charging flex. Let's check again. The problem is fixed, indicating an issue with the charging flex. Always remember that copy flex cable can cause restart issues. Now let's check the flex. You can see that the flex has already been replaced with a copy version. After close inspection, we found issues near the vibrator and pressure sensor areas. We are not going to repair the flex. Instead, we will replace it. If you have similar issues, first check by disconnect the charging flex. If the problem is resolved, then replace the flex. Always remember that copy flex cable can cause restart issues. So, use OEM or high quality flex cables for better performance. That's it for today. Hope this will help to fix your issues. If you have any query, then don't forget to drop your comment. We will respond as fast as possible. Hi, it's me Akash. Peace out.